Hi everyone, Mary Berry here. Today I'm going to be baking some Toblerone brownies. Oh, do you know what the most annoying thing is at the minute? I just can't stop doing an Australian accent. So I'm just like, Cleo, the bathroom's for Emma. Do you know what I'm saying? It just can't be stopped. So I'm in my kitchen once again. I feel like I've been in my kitchen quite a bit recently. My hoodie. How cute is my hoodie? By the way, it's torrential rain and wind outside, so if you can't hear me, that is why we're living in England. This hoodie is from an Instagram account called lara.rosee. I'll leave it in the description box. She's such a nice girl. She's just got her own little independent tailor business. This jumper is just the best quality. I'm obsessed with it. I've worn it pretty much every day since I bought it. People haven't really seen me in anything different and it definitely needs a wash, but we won't talk about it. So I like to think I'm a good baker, but having said that, the only thing I really bake is cheesecakes. And today I'm deciding to like push the boat out and do some brownies. Not just any brownies though. I've already told you that, haven't I? Toblerone. I just have a feeling this is going to go horribly wrong because it requires me putting something in the oven, and but you never know. You don't know until you try. I might be today's star baker. Paul Hollywood might just, you know, might just fall in love with me. Who knows? Let's get on with the show. Ugh. The first step is to line a square baking tray with parchment paper. I don't think this is really what you bake brownies in, but it does the job. Step 2. Melt together the butter. Oh yeah, I should probably tell you what you need. So you need 200 grams of unsalted butter, 150 grams dark chocolate, 150 grams of Toblerone. You need more than that. You should get... I'll leave the recipe in the description box. How about that? 3 large eggs, 275 grams of caster sugar, 90 grams of plain flour, 35 grams of cocoa powder, and that is it. We're going to melt together the butter, dark chocolate, and 150 grams of Toblerone. I'm going to guess how much 200 is. So if that's 250, 200 is going to be about that much. No. So a lot of this video is basically just me guesstimating. Oh, I'm so excited to eat these. Yeah, and now 150 grams of Toblerone, so 1 bar is 100 grams. And then you're just going to do half. Oh, it's fun. Quick maths. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1, that's 3. Quick maths. Oh, it's melting. I need to put some music on. I just can't be in my real baking element. I'm going to put on my Disney childhood playlist. Remember when Disney Plus was like a big deal at the start of lockdown, and then boom, never to be seen again. If you like, you know, Camp Rock, High School Musical, Hannah Montana, keep on watching. If none of them float your boat, set sail. It's going in the microwave. Get me wrong, I love who I am. I don't wanna be ungrateful, it probably sounds strange. I'm just an ordinary girl. Sometimes I'm lazy, I get bored. These sign of cards and letters be heaven. My true friend. Okay, this... Oh, okay, pause. This is all melted and it's just to leave it to the side for a bit to cool down. Next, what is next? Using an electric whisk together the eggs and caster sugar. Oh my god. Cleo, Emma. Oh my god, I'm so bad at cracking eggs. You're the voice I hear inside my head, the reason that I'm singing. The disco that you said. This is our song. Kiss me only a song. You're going to pour the cooled down mixture over this mixture and then fold it in. And now we fold. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very confused. Oh, it smells so good. And baby, there's a voice inside my head and you'll never reach it. when completely combined, sift the cocoa powder and plain flour on top of the chocolate mix. Fold together again. I don't have a sift. Oh, listen. I gotta say it's on my mind. Something about it. I gotta do what's best for me. You'll be okay today, but I so a bit tiring. We're breaking free. Once combined, fold through the 400 grams of Toblerone churn and pour into the prepared tin. Bake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, 180 degrees. So they are out the oven. They look good though, considering I don't think I've ever baked brownies before. I'm gonna put them in the fridge once they're cooled down so that they're like really good later on. I'm so tired, I'm actually falling asleep. Definitely not hungover on this fine Sunday. Definitely didn't get home at 3 AM. So basically the point of all that is that I think I'm just gonna film myself trying some now because I just can't wait until later. I'll just be asleep. So I'm just gonna try a little bit. Hot. Oh wow, they are good though. Star baker of the week is me. Round of applause. Alfie's had a haircut. Anyway, yeah, I hope you thoroughly enjoyed me baking some brownies. Bye bitches. Say bye bitches. Hello, don't ignore me.